So in Google Keep, what you can also do is you can add in different sources of information, that is by adding in URL to those particular content source. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to get out the full screen just like this. And let me just go around onto the console sales section and copy out this particular URL right here. Once I do that, I'm going to go around onto take a note section and paste it and close it right here. And then what happens is that you can see that console sales is here. But you can see that the link has been attached onto this note. So even if I were to delete out this particular URL, you can see that the console sales link is still there. So if I were to go around and close this, and you can see that this is the link preview option, I can remove it or copy the URL, or I can click on this to open the source of this information right here. Similarly, if I were to go around onto this particular Google Keep article inside of Wikipedia, I can go around, add in a source over here just like this. So once I do that, you can see that there is another source that is added in right here. So even if I were to delete out the URL, you can see that it gets collected over here at the bottom. So that is how you can go around and add in sources of information inside of notes in Google Keep. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.